Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Today I will be installing this universal front bumper lip spoiler. Get the tips. Now, the spoiler already comes with tiny pre-drilled holes and a set of screws you will need to install. The worst part about installing this spoiler is lining it up so it sits perfect. You can do it yourself, but if you have a person that could help, it would be much easier to line it up. Tools needed: 1. Car jack with a stand or 2 just to be safe. 2. Screwdriver. 3. Tape measure. That is all. I will show video with each step. This is the easiest way to install this and put it on. You will see a drill on the video. I only used the drill to screw in the screws to the spoiler in the beginning. Now, Step 1. Lift the car so that the entire front end is up at both sides. This will give you room to work and line up the front lip. Step 2. Pre-drill the original spoiler with the screws provided. This way it will be much easier to screw it on while it is up in the air. Step 3. Line up the spoiler. Make sure you don't line it up looking at the front. Look at the ends of the lip and make sure it sits even on both sides. Step 4. If you can have someone hold the lip in place while you drill the screws in with the Phillips screwdriver. Start from each end L and R. Do the middle once both of the sides are bolted on and sit perfectly. There is a little hole at each end so you can get the Phillips in and bolt it on. Step 5. Make sure every screw is on tight. And you are done. Step 6. Drill holes onto your lower bumper lip. You will be mounting the bumper lip strut rod by its ends, onto your lower lip and your bumper. Both ends of the strut rod support bars are identical, so you won't have to worry about which end goes where. To mount it, unthread the nut from the bolt. Route the bolt ends through your drilled holes and rethread the nut to tighten. Your car is now equipped with the strut rod support bar to hold up your lower bumper lip for security and the extra touch. Please guys, like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.